runs.
Say it again.
What's up, guys? It's reassembly day. I've been a little bit under the weather ever since we got that paint work done. Those little bit of fumes must have killed my immune system, so I'm gonna have a heck of a lot of time lapse today. guys, Epic Tim here, and man, it is a little late for an intro on this bit, but you see we got the Nova back on the ground and looking good indeed. Man, does it feel good to get this thing on the ground again. I tell you what, I really miss driving it and taking it to car shows and just hanging out with my friends and trying to be a hooligan with this tiny little six-cylinder. So now that the car's drivable again, we're going to try and work out some of the little quirks and kinks and bugs and stuff. And one thing, which I know 2 or 3 of you have been dying to see, is that tandem master cylinder setup. So let's take a look. Here we are. We've got dual Willwood tandem master cylinders side by side in a brake biasing box. This is from Doppler, but the way that the Doppler kit works, it won't accept a Willwood master cylinder. They want you to use their own proprietary length push rods. So I didn't want to play with all of that. I wanted to have some nice local US support where I could get parts for these things real easy. This guy here, this Doppler bias assembly, is made way down in South America to where I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get good support for that or not. So we've got this extended out. The factory rod's about this long, so we've stretched it out about 1.5 inches or so, and we just had enough room for clearance for the air filter, so that fit great. And if you're not sure how a bias system works, this one is not set up completely yet, but there will be a cable attached to this end which will go to a knob in the car to where when I turn this and set my shims in place, it will adjust this from side to side, and that is going to give it more power to what will be the front or the rear or vice versa, and I can change that bias inside of the car on the fly. As you can see right now, we're kind of cheating. We've still got it set up in a single line system so that we can come back and fix all this in a little. And for the 1 or 2 of you that wanted to see under the hood, here it is. Not really exciting yet, but soon we have the rest of the parts behind the flag. So you may have noticed a Porsche on the lift, and that is one of my friend's good friends whom needed a little brake work. So we're gonna get that in and out real quick, get these 4-wheel 4-piston calipers all fixed up, got a set of brand new rotors coming, and then we'll get that thing back on the ground and out of here so we can keep on moving with some other projects. But I figure I'd give you a little teaser for what's to come. Not only do we have the front end kit that's gonna go on soon, but we also have this bad Johnny right here. We've got, if you can see down in there, some LS power. That's right. So that's all I really have for today's video. Again, I was under the weather, so I appreciate you watching an extended version of Epic Time Lapse. Now, to get with the program and get you on schedule for what's to come, we've got a lot of stuff, a lot of exciting things on the shelves over there, ready to get installed on this car, but we've got to sort a few things out. I want to enjoy a little bit of cruising season left on this thing. Next episode's going to be fun story time about why you saw in the beginning of this video the car getting winched back into the garage. It was not a fun day indeed. We missed everything exciting that was going on in the car world that day. But lo and behold, I will leave you with one last tech tip for the 2 or 3 people that stuck around to the end of the video. I appreciate you. So what we have here is a list of every wrench, socket, Allen, anything that I used to assemble all of the components on the back of the car. Now, I can take this list and make a dedicated travel toolkit that will live with this car. We'll just buy some probably very cheap wrenches and sockets, but this way I don't have to sort through and fumble around as badly as putting a master kit in or anything along those lines. And this is going to be really important when we do something like hot rod power tour or travel out of town, to get everything set up in your car for what you need exactly and nothing more will not only save you a lot of weight, but a lot of frustration on the side of the road when you find out you don't have this 7/16 12-point socket in your tool bag, or you don't have this super tiny 1/4 inch open end wrench only for your brake bleeders, and some fun stuff like that. Thanks for watching Epic Tim. I really appreciate you sticking through to the end, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos. If you need some more Epic Tim content in your life, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up. Have a great day.